Welcome to Insider News Proper. Awka indigenes and their friends converged recently for the Egwu annual celebration of Awka Kingdom. The Egwu Festival 2022 took place in 2023 at Awka Civic Center. Ngozi Bileri of Insider News now reports.
It was a gathering of pomp and pageantry in Awka on Thursday, 5th January 2023, as the traditional ruler of Awka, Nwosu, holds Egwu 2022. The Egwu 2022 of Nwosu also marked his 24th year on the throne. Governor Chukwuma graced the occasion where an oil magnate, Engineer Arthur Eze, the Minister of Transportation, the Controller of Immigration, Anambra State, Mrs. Ngozi Odigbo, Senator Ben Ndiobi of Awka, the Chairman Nigeria United Airlines, Chief Obiora Okonkwo, and many others were present. All the 33 villages that make up the community were present in the three quarters in Awka, which are Ezi, Ifite, and Agulu-Awka. Represented by his deputy, Dr. Onyekachuku Ibezim, Governor Soludo paid homage to Nwosu during the ceremony.
Paying homage to Awka Kingdom. Your Majesty, Dr. Gibson, Nwosu.
His welcome address was delivered by the traditional Prime Minister of Awka, Chief Ben Okoye.
Awka people are known for their technological ingenuity, as our forefathers were legendary blacksmiths. The Egwu is a time to come together, do some stock taking, celebrate our rich culture, and seek ways of improving the status of our dear town, Awka, the livelihoods and welfare of Ndubani. Our people are quite hospitable, very accommodating, and eager to play host with ever-increasing number of people arriving in the capital city. We know that this changing demographic also brings enormous toll on the cost of the government. But we pray that the government should pay more attention to the capital city with a view to addressing the infrastructural challenges, provision of jobs for our teeming youths, and taming the rising clout activities, amongst other very important needs.
Chief Obiora Okonkwo, who is the chairman United Nigeria Airlines, shared the occasion.
Awka is an ancient kingdom, a kingdom known with the arts, the calves, and all that. During the address by the Nwosu of Awka, he reminded us that beautiful, magnificent gate, if it pleases God, and then we have a new government in Nigeria, we the Igbo people who will be around to support the government must insist that all the great things that we are known for must be revived. And that is what we think that will come from true federalism. True federalism just simply means so I have no doubt that Awka will be one of the greatest beneficiaries of this.
Rotarian Abuchi Nwosu of the ABS and a native of Awka, the two-time president of Rotary International Club, Awka Unizik, added his voice in prayers for God to bless the Awka monarch with long life. Five prominent in the Anambra were given chieftaincy title at the occasion, where Awka kingmakers and the Otochaloka was present. Jele masquerade and other masquerades also performed during the event.